I'm Damian, All Aspects Pest Control. I started that back in 2014. So I'm in my 8th year now, so 2014 I started. We don't do the spray and pray technique, which is an outdated, 20 years ago, where you just coat everything, drown your whole outside of the house and spray all internal and put enough actual chemical down to think, yep, that's going to do something. Whereas we will put it into the harbouраges, we'll go and investigate why you've got the infestation. So it might be something like a leaking pipe that isn't really causing a lot of issues, but it's enough to bring, say, ants in when it's a drought or something like that. And it's targeted treatment of those species in those areas that we believe that they'll be harbouring. But there's a lot of people that have come up from southern states or over from New Zealand or areas that don't really experience, say, spiders. Like I have a lot of New Zealand clients and they are really freaked out about spiders. And it's just taking that extra few minutes to explain that, okay, yes, a huntsman looks scary, but they're quite harmless. But I'm still understanding that it doesn't matter that they're harmless, it's freaking them out and they still want to control it rather than just come in and, oh yeah, you've got spiders and spray away. So it's just a bit more care, maybe a bit more knowledge as well. But again, a lot of pest control across the board is prevention. It's moving more from the old exterminator days of let's just spray the deadly stuff and kill everything, to more about, okay, we've got the chemicals really going to be the last line of defence. So we need to do all environmental factors and do other things to prevent them from coming in. And then if they do come in, that's when the chemical comes into play. I love hearing that I've sorted your problem, rather than just coming in, smashing the job out and moving on to the next.